Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number is 1688, number of matches in tournament. You're given an integer n, the number of teams in a tournament that has strange rules. If the current number of teams is even, which team gets paired with another team? A total of n divided by 2 matches are played, and n divided by 2 teams advance to the next round. If the current number of teams is odd, one team randomly advanced in the tournament and the rest gets paired. A total of n minus 1 divided by 2 matches are played, and n minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 teams advance to the next round. Return the number of matches played in the tournament until a winner is decided. Let's solve it. It's easy level problem, so the solution will be quite easy. Try to solve it straightforward. First of all, let's define a variable for result, and it's 0 by default, and return it. Next, what we need to do. First of all, we need to play games round by round until n greater than 1. So while n not equals to 1, what need to do? First of all, let's count how many matches uh, it will be played in each round. The count will be n divided by 2. So and also let's add number of matches to the result variable. So we will get total number of matches in the result variable. The last thing we need to get, it's new number of teams who will be advanced to the next round. The number will be n modulo 2. If n is even, then this will be 0. And if n is odd, and n modulo 2 will be 1, and one more team will be advanced to the next round. And else, let's add number of teams which will win in each match. That's all solution, and now let's check tests. Yes, test passed, submitted. It works and pretty efficient. The time complexity of this algorithm is odd logarithm n, because we divided initial variable n by 2 in the loop. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.